Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change URL in Shopify. Let's get started. So let's first head over and view our store, and from in here you should be able to see your URL. So as of right now, my URL is e49973-94.myshopify.com. So as we all know, this URL is not really good for the eyes and for the ears, and not really good for the memory as well. So what we can do in order to change this, we need to head over in here to our Shopify dashboard. Now, click on the settings right here. Once you have done that, scroll down until you can see in here the option for domains. And then in here, you can see this option for change to a new Shopify.com domain. So click on this. And then let's name this right here Tiara222. And this will change or check the availability. And once it is available, you can click on this add domain right here. And once you have added that, let's head over again to the preview of our store and then let's try to refresh it. So on some cases, it will take for this time in order for this to load, or you can also just refresh it and preview it in here as well. So let's try to preview our store by clicking on this view store. And then you can reload this. And once it's been reloaded, as you can see, it will be now the Tiara222.myshopify.com. So as you can see right now, the URL has been changed. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.